Hi guys! Good day sa inyo lahat. So, I would like to just introduce myself. My name is Dennis Brian Kaadan and I'll be handling yung global business opportunity natin ngayon for today. And the best part on that, you can actually enjoy the business opportunity any part of the globe, from the Philippines to kung nasan ka man ngayon na nanonood ng video na to. And the best part on that, let me just share you something, no? I actually started to do this business like a couple of months ago. And then I was able to stumble upon this online dropshipping business na kung saan sobrang patok na patok. And dahil nga sa sobrang patok siya, guys, share ko lang sa inyo, there's actually a secret of getting ahead and getting started pagdating sa negosyong to. So guys, with that being said, I just would like to share to you na what if, tanongin mo yung sarili mo, ano ba pwede kong gawin for this 2024 na pwede akong kumita ng additional extra income na may enjoy mo for the year 2024? Now, if I'll be giving you a figure, what if I tell you na pwede kang kumita at least 100,000 for the next 6 months? Pwede? It might be sound catchy, pero ang tanong, Sir Dennis, paano ko gagawin to? What if I tell you na katulad ko, I was actually able to do it on a part-time basis? So imaginein mo, nasa bahay ka, kakatapos ng trabaho mo, or even papasok ka pa lang sa trabaho mo, or kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, you can actually earn at least possible income, 100,000 this 2024. Now that being said, no, so ang tanong na lang sa akin or kahit sa inyo, paano mo gagawin to? Now, eto na ang pinakamagandang part dyan, guys. Maraming paraan para kumita tayo ng at least 100,000 this 2024, pero ang pinakapatok na patok ngayon is yung dropshipping and online selling, na makikita mo ang ating mga produkto at the same time itong opportunity natin, all different platforms from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and you can actually enjoy also doing retailing on the side. Plus, meron pa tayong opportunity to enjoy the wholesale business na gagawin natin pagdating sa negosyong to. Now, excited ka na ba? So if you are excited katulad ko, let me just share this one, no? Let's just focus on the next one. The dropshipping business. Wherein, etong dropshipping business na to, guys, or online selling, ang sigurado ako dito na patok at in demand siya. Na kahit hindi mo ibenta yung produkto mo, literally hard selling, hinahanap-hanap siya ng marami at sangkatutak na tao from different platforms. Like for example, kung familiar ka sa TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Market page, you can actually enjoy the dropshipping business and at the same time have a bit of profit or even bigger profit na mas may enjoy mo. Then, on top of that, meron pa tayong may enjoy rito. Tulad na nabanggit ko kanina, you can also enjoy yung tinatawag natin na retailing. And back then pa naman, kahit na sinong negosyante or salesperson, actually, pag na-develop mo tong skills na to at the same time, may enjoy mo yung income na to because it is actually in demand. Just like our products na mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi nga, like sinabi mong in-demand ang produkto mo, no hard selling at all. So, syempre, kung no hard selling at all, may enjoy at the same time, hindi mo na kailangang i-hard selling at ibenta ng benta yung produkto mo kasi hinahanap na ng tao eh. So, profitable-wise, of course, mas may enjoy mo siya. And, lastly, syempre, ang pinakapatok ngayon at gustong-gusto na maraming tao ngayon ginagawa is yung tinatawag na, ano yan? Wholesaling. Tama? So, yung wholesaling kasi, aside from in-demand siya, same thing goes. Mas malaki nga lang yung profit na may enjoy mo rito. Kasi nga, bultuhan or at the same time, mas malaki ang income potential dyan. So, mamaya, pagkwentuhan natin siya. Pero, let me just share this one, no? Alam mo ba, as a negosyante na katulad ko, or even kahit na sinong gustong magnegosyo ngayon, palagi ang tanong palagi, meron ba sikreto kung paano mo magagawa at the same time, mas mapapabilis yung income mo rito? Well, siguro, pwede kong sabihin sa inyo yung sekreto, pero dapat ikaw mismo ready ka na sa mga sasabihin ko. Kasi ang una kong sasabihin sa inyo is that kung gagawa ka or gagawin mong isang bagay or ang isang negosyo, dapat meron kang, stable na kumpanya. That's the best part, guys, no? Stable and legit. Kasi marami sa atin gustong magnegosyo, pero hindi alam kung saan pupunta at hindi alam kung paano sisimulan. Pero sa company natin, sa JC, pinakamaganda dyan is that hindi mo na kailangan tanungin sa likod ng isip mo kung stable ba o legit ang kumpanya na to. Simply because a company has already a strong reputation, especially with the company owners, plus it actually innovates. Kaya nga marami tayong pandemic millionaires dito sa company natin eh. Chismis ko lang sa inyo That was like 197 pandemic millionaires. Na-feature pa tayo sa isang sikat na newspaper. So, mamaya, share ko sa inyo. Okay? Pero, aside sa company guys, syempre, dapat ang produkto mo is obviously, top quality. So, syempre, kung top quality ang produkto mo, wala nang tanong. Mabenta talaga siya at hahanapin talaga ng mga tao. Just like what we're having right now in our company. Kasi, trusted by people and different influencers, personalities, kaya sila mismo, hindi sila nahihiyang ibenta or i-share yung experience nila when they actually choose to, what? To take our products at the same time, enjoy the benefits of this one. Lastly, syempre, kung magbebenta ka lang din naman ng produkto, you wanna make sure that this is actually internationally recognized. Take note, kaya nga sobrang excited ako sa negosyo nito kasi we're not just capturing the Philippine market, but we're also aiming for global domination. Yun ang pinakamaganda sa negosyo natin. And, syempre, dahil may global domination tayong pag-uusapan, eto na, may potential kang kumita rito ng hindi lang peso. You can actually earn dirhams, reals, British pound, depende kung saan bansa ka mag-distribute ng negosyo natin or mag-expand ng wholesale business natin. Ngayon, syempre, nabanggit ko na kanina, we're going global right now with our company and also with our business. Obviously, you're gonna be getting a good profit margin. Plus, product is actually in demand right now. Imagine ninyo guys, from the Philippines to different parts of the globe, we're actually maximizing and dominating right now the international arena pagdating sa negosyo natin. And lastly, eto pa. Since we're penetrating the international market, dapat ang produkto mo is always available and at the same time, anywhere can be purchased and also anytime. That's the reason why mamaya, pagdating sa negosyo natin, you will be enjoying this one. So ulitin ko lang there are 3 major key factors para maging successful ang isang negosyo mo. Now, that would be 1, the company. Number 2 is obviously the product. And lastly, of course, it should be profitable. Para at least kahit papano, you can actually tell to yourself na this business can be successful. Now, the best part on that, I have a good news for you. Again, when I say good news guys, dapat excited ka. So, i-type mo dyan sa comment section na pinapanood mo ngayong video na to. Dapat excited ka. Type mo, excitement ako. Not excitement ako, but excited ako. So, sobrang excited ko, nabubulol na ako, di ba? But kidding aside, there's a good news. There's a big catch right now that is actually first and very innovative na ginawa ng kumpanya natin. We have created a business system which is actually the first. Guys, say it, the first. The online system there is here in the Philippines. And also right now, since we're expanding globally, you're going to be enjoying this. And what if I tell you, you can actually earn at least minimum for the next 6 months, just do the business properly, you're going to be enjoying at least 100,000 pesos or even more. Basta gawin mo lang yung negosyo ng tama. Now, ulitin ko the first one na sinabi ko kanina is that to become successful, you need to have a good company. Now, speaking of company guys, imaginein mo na yung negosyo natin is actually kilalang-kilala yung sister company na Showmaking or the House of Franchise. Now, here in the Philippines, this is actually the number 1, okay? Number 1, awarded last 2020, 2021, and 2022 as a Franchise Company of the Year plus, eto ng 2023. Chismis ko na rin sa inyo. We have been awarded as part of the Hall of Famer ng Franchising Hall, okay, ng Asia Leaders Awards. Plus, at the same time, eto na, ISO certified tayo, kaya nga we actually penetrated the international arena because we're following an international standard na kung saan we're actually the leading health, beauty, and wellness company founded last 2013. So, imaginein mo guys, if we're actually the leading health, beauty, and wellness company founded last 2013, ilang taon na tayo ngayon? We're going longer and longer and longer. Now, speaking of that, paano natin nagawa? Of course, with our with our brand ambassador, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. He's actually enjoying the product that we have right now. Of course, the JC Organic Barley, na na-awardan tayo as the JC Organic Barley Best Natural Supplement of the Year last 2023 in Asia Leaders Awards. Plus, JC as a Health and Wellness Company of the Year also last 2021. So, dun pa lang sa usapan na to guys, tapos na. Kasi we have all the recognitions and at the same time, we have all the accolades na pwede nating ipagyabang. Okay? Not just locally, but also internationally. Plus, we're also awarded last 2020 as the MLM Company of the Year. Now, syempre, if we're gonna be expanding globally, minsan kasi, honestly speaking, kung titingnan mo yung mga product lines na meron tayo sa company natin, what you're gonna be proud of is that we're also in partnership with different countries from New Zealand, Iceland, Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, just to ensure yung quality ng produkto na meron tayo. Diba? So the company is actually aiming for a high quality and of course following the international standards to penetrate the international market. That's the reason why we're very fortunate kasi nung ginawa natin yung negosyo natin, ngayon, we're also expanding globally. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, we have branches in Italy, we have one in Dubai, we have one also in Abu Dhabi, Qatar, name it, Singapore, tas Taiwan. Also, of course, in Manila, we have one in Cebu, we have one in Davao, and so on and so forth, guys, no? And even expanding globally, saan? Canada, we have one in Switzerland, and also in Malaysia. So, come to think of this one, no? Kung ganun kaganda yung kumpanya natin, the question at the back of my head right now, who is actually leading the business? Siyempre, kung titingnan mo mabuti, sino yung captain of the ship? Who is actually doing the behind the scene para maging successful yung negosyo natin? I'm very proud to say that we have the founders right now, Mr. Jonathan So, and also Mr. Carlito Macadangdang, who have been awarded in People Asia, Quill Awards, Asia Leaders Awards, Reader's Digest, you name it, guys, we got it for you. Okay? So, hindi mo na para tanungin yan kung ano yung credibility ng company natin kasi if you're gonna be doing your homework, we have been featured. Itong dalawang gentlemen na to, guys, have been featured in People Asia last 2021, Lifestyle Asian 2022, People of the Year 2023, Man Who Mattered 2021, and Rising Tiger Magazine. So, do your homework, guys. I challenge you. People Asia have been featured us, Inquirer.net, Billionaire Magazine, CNN rated kay Corina. You do your homework? Again, guys, no questions asked. Quality at the same time, maganda ang credibility ng kumpanya natin. And masasabi ko na may paglalaban mo to from local to the international market. Now, ulitin ko, yung pangalawang importante for the secret to the business, okay? Para maging successful ka is obviously what is it? The product. So type mo sa baba, product. So when you type the product, guys, the question is, anong meron dito? Of course, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes is actually very proud to say na he's already our brand ambassador and yung nire-represent niyang negosyo or of course yung product lines natin is actually the best-selling product not just locally but also internationally. Do your homework. Kahit sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, nagtitrending tayo as the #1 health juice right now. Plus, the best natural supplement of the year have been awarded to us in JC. And millions have been sold, not just locally, but also worldwide. Take note, guys, not just peso. Dollars, dirhams, reals, British pounds, you name it. Again, we're earning in different platforms. Plus, we have been internationally recognized. And, eto yung maganda dyan, okay? I'll give you a quick fact lang, no? Did you know that the barley is the only vegetation on earth that can supply the nutritional needs from pagkabata hanggang sa pagtanda? So, ibig sabihin pala, Sir Dennis, with that being said, ano yung mga binibigay sa aking health benefits? Well, kung titingnan mo mabuti, nandito na lahat. From the 6 to 8 micronutrients na mahahanap mo sa barley, from minerals, vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, sobrang ganda na ng produkto natin. Tapos, dagdagan mo pa ng little bit of trivia. Kasi bakit? Ang produkto natin is actually 25 times rich in potassium, plus 11 times rich in calcium. Eto maganda. Sa panahon ngayon, pabago-bago ang season, 7 times rich in vitamin C, 5 times rich in iron, and also sa mga bata, 2 times higher when it comes to the beta-carotene. Pero, sobrang ganda ng produkto natin. If you're gonna be doing your homework, no, ano ba talaga ang #1 cause na siguro pwedeng makapagpabagal ng buhay na, mapaaga pala, ng buhay natin dito sa Pilipinas, not just in the Philippines, but from different parts of the globe, no? Now, the top 4 leading causes of death, #1 is obviously yung heart disease. Guys, honestly, ito traitor talaga to. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Bigla-bigla na lang nangyayari to. Pero, on top of that, no, pwede rin natin kasing ma-address kaagad ito if you're gonna be taking the JC Organic Barley and you can actually prevent also development of cancer or tumor, diabetes, and of course, even insomnia, guys, Even insomnia. Right now, it can actually cause potential death, early death. So, sa mga kapatid nating nasa BPO or medyo napupuyat talaga, or very hardworking guys, no? I think you deserve something better. you need to have at least something better to protect and of course, make sure na ikaw mismo, tatagal ka. Tatagal ka na, pinaglalaban mo yung pamilya mo, and you have to take good care of your health. So bottom line guys, no, check on the facts right now. We have a lot of conditions na pwedeng ma-address kagad ng barley. And here's the best part. Since right now, we're penetrating the international market, do your homework kasi this is the only part wherein JC Organic Barley have been approved from different health ministries sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Now, this is actually, and obviously, a truly world-class barley, pure, natural, and organic. And tulad na nabanggit ko kanina, this is only the product we're in have been registered, recognized, and FDA approved more than 10 countries globally. With that being said, no, in the Philippines, Reader's Digest have been featured us, of course. Then also yung healthcare magazine natin. And ito na, the creme of de la creme. Our product is actually been featured also in PPD. Okay? Which is for a fact, no? This one is actually being used by the doctors and the pharmacists if magpe-prescribe sila or magre-recommend ng isang produkto sa pasyente nila. Now, I would like to share you something dito, guys, no? Na, what can actually JC Organic Barley do to your body? Okay? So ngayon, as we go along and check the video right now, you can see there's actually 3 glasses na kung saan it actually represents your body. That's 70% of your body composition. So ngayon, if you do your homework, guys, no, ang katawan kasi natin, kailangan mong isupply yung tamang nutrients and also be equipped. So if you're gonna be looking at the video, on this one for the energy test, mapapansin niyo yung light bulb natin dyan, medyo okay yung ilaw. Pero hindi ganun ka-quality. Kasi nga, your body, perfect example is just actually resting, kakagising mo lang, wala pa naman yung tiyan mo. So ngayon, syempre, ikaw mismo, pansin mo naman pagka ikaw, bagong gising ka, wala ka masyadong energy. But on the second glass right here, it actually represents yung katawan mo na nakakain ka na ng almusal. Or maybe you already have a brunch. You already have a good food, already part of your system. Now, as the video right now is actually showing, it's actually being stirred up. So, ina-absorb na ng katawan mo. So, once na na-absorb na ng katawan mo, yung mga kinain mo, eto na. Makikita mo na medyo nagkakaroon ka na ng enough energy, sufficient nutrients sa katawan mo. Pero, I strongly believe na hindi pa yun yung maximum potential na pwede mo makuha for your body. Now, here comes our wonder product, JC Organic Barley. So, imaginein mo guys, no? You're gonna be having a long day, you're gonna be working out, you're gonna be working. You need something energizing yourself and refreshment. So ngayon, papansinin nyo, nilagay dyan yung isang sachet ni JC Organic Barley, and then from there, syempre, as you drink it, the body absorbs it, and kapag nangyari yan na na-absorb na agad ng katawan natin yung JC Organic Barley na kung saan puro, masarap, matamis at malinamnam, syempre, ano pang mangyari dyan guys? You will be energized, just like that. So imagine mo guys, no, you're taking this once a day, one sachet a day or twice a day, so you will be energized and at the same time, you'll have that energy na kailangan mo for all day long. So mapapansin niyo, on the first bottle of glass, medyo tight yung energy. Pangalawa, nagkaroon ka na ng energy. Pangatlo, the maximum potential energy that you can actually get only in JC Organic Barley. Okay? Now, you can see it in your screen right now, guys. So there's a lot of testimonials na experience na mga kakilala po natin from acid reflux. Of course, mataas yung cholesterol level nila sa katawan, and at the same time, yung bowel movement medyo mabagal and causing constipation. Constipation. Good news is that our product right now can help you address those concerns. And syempre, lots of testimonials pagdating sa produkto natin. So just do your homework, guys, no? Even our trusted celebrities actually enjoying this one. Sir, of course, Ding Dong Dantes, of course, Kylie Padilla, Richard Yap, and so on and so forth, no? Mapapansin niyo, sobrang dami na ng celebrities and even influencers na enjoying the products, plus at the same time, no, expanding their health benefits right now for 2024. With that being said, not just here in the Philippines, but also we're going global. Just like nung sinabi ko kanina. Mapapansin niyo on your screen, there's from Abu Dhabi, Dubai, USA, so you name it, we're dominating right now the international arena. Plus, since we're dominating the international arena right now, dadagdag ko lang din na hindi lang JC Organic Barley ang produkto natin, guys. guys ha. We have a lot of essentials na kung saan pwede mong ma-enjoy na all FDA approved, plus at the same time, even Korean skincare products, we also have it. Best part on that, all of the wellness products that we have right now can actually help you to propel your business, not just locally, but of course, internationally as well. Now, last but not the least, ito na yung magandang part guys. We can actually enjoy the profitability of our business kasi nga, you can actually start earning through different platforms. One is obviously through dropshipping and online selling. Pangalawa, okay, retailing. And last but not the least, of course, ito yung malaking kitaan part, guys. Yung wholesaling. So, mamaya, pagkwentuhan natin siya, di ba? So, guys, are you very much excited na pag-uusapan na natin yung profitability? Okay? So, guys, if you are excited, type 1 dyan sa comment section para at least alam ko na alive ka na at excited ka nang gawin yung negosyo natin. Now, dagdagan ko pa yung magandang balita sa atin, guys, no? You can actually start the business right now with no membership fee, no joining fee, and no sign-up fee. And yung pinakamaganda pa rito is that I myself, as a negosyante, na-enjoy ko rito yung perks and benefits na kung saan I'm already an authorized wholesaler and retailer of our company, JC. Plus, at the same time, the business is actually doable and profitable business. Wherein kahit na nasa trabaho ka, kahit na medyo nabibisi ka sa mga bagay-bagay, you can actually do this on your spare time. Plus, you have a lifetime privilege and pwede mo pa itong ipamana sa anak, kapu-apuhan mo o kahit sa anak mo. Huwag naman sana, no? Pero, that's the best part. Since it's actually a business, you can pass it down the line. Plus, it's very easy to manage, ready business system, and best part on that, since we're going global, you are entitled to access all international branches globally. Okay? Now, Sir Dennis, hindi na ako makapag-antay. Gustong-gusto ko na malaman kung paano tayo kikita rito. Well, the good news is that you can actually start with the business through what? The dropshipping and online selling. So, syempre, mapapansin ninyo, no? Ang JC Organic Barley right now is actually the #1 trending if you do your homework on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, even on YouTube, guys. Feature ng dami ng gumagawa ng video regarding the testimonials of our product. Kasi nga, you can start earning through dropshipping. Dropshipping, guys, in our business, no? Our company is actually giving you an online platform where you can actually maximize the business. Send the link, you can actually maximize the business. No product inventory na kailangan mo agad-agad kasi nga, the company will be preparing it for you, shipping it out, and again, your commission goes to your online wallet. Plus, the e-commerce or online selling natin, guys, no, patok na patok to. Kaya nga, di ba, ang gagawin mo lang, ipopost mo, once sa pinost mo siya on your social media platform, once someone actually ordered, the company will be preparing your order or their order, and then ship it out. Once na nakuha na nila, you get to enjoy the privileges that we have in our company. Your commission, di ba? Plus, eto na, you can actually earn 20,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. This is the potential income of the drop shipping or online business. Now, I'll just give you a quick computation lang para mas maintindihan mo kung paano tayo kikita rito, di ba? Now, syempre, kung ikaw yung tipong tao medyo busy, marami kang ginagawa, and you're looking for a side hustle, what if I tell you that you can actually do the business just selling 2 boxes a day? Yung 2 boxes na yun, guys, ang pinaka-importante rito is that once you sell it, you get out income per day, 960 pesos per day, 8 times 30 days for at least a month. Then, boom, you can actually earn 28,800 pesos. This is conservatively, guys, ha. Take note, 2 boxes a day lang to. Now, syempre, you can actually do more with that. Depende na lang sa sipag na gagawin mo pagdating sa negosyo natin. Plus, aside from wholesaling and dropshipping and online selling, you can actually do what? Yung retailing natin. The retail goes, of course, yung mga kakay natin, kapamilya, kamag-anak, katrabaho, ka-community. So again, you just have to post it, share your experience, and then from there, sabihin mo lang na napakasarap naman talaga ng produkto natin. Kaya nga, hindi mo na kailangan mag-hard selling. Kusang bumibenta na yung produkto natin dahil nga patok na siya at hinahanap siya ng maraming tao. Now, since maraming humahanap ng mga tao dito sa produkto natin, guys, no, you can actually earn 20 to 60,000 pesos in a month. That's the potential income. So, ulitin ko lang, you're just doing 2 boxes a day. You sell it. Papunta ka ng trabaho, wala ka pa namang sweldo ng mga time na yan. Just go online, 15, 20, 30 minutes, and then from there, sell it sa mga kapamilya, kamag-anak, kakilala mo, katrabaho mo. Then, covered na kagad yung pamasahe mo, then yung oras mo. That's a 960 pesos income times 30. Just do it religiously on your spare time, and then here you go. 28,800 pesos na naman yan. So do the math, guys. That's already almost 50,000. Pinagsasabay mo na tong dalawang to, ha. Now, what if I tell you we have the chunk of the business right here? Siyempre, kapag ka-wholesaler ka, mas may enjoy mo to. Kasi bakit? You can sell the product in a wholesale price, plus mas malaki ang income opportunity rito, and the income potential-wise, 70 to at least 450 pesos per month. So imaginein mo, guys, no? That's a 450,000 pesos per month. Kung ako tatanungin mo, kahit negosyante ako, kahit kumikita na ako, I want to earn more. Kahit na normal na empleyado ako, I want to get more. Kasi nga, from the wholesale sets na nabibenta mo, mas malaki ang income potential mo dyan. So, again, the good news is that marami pa tayong additional privileges as an authorized wholesaler. So, with that being said, guys, no, share ko lang sa inyo yung isa sa mga sobrang na-enjoy namin dito sa JC, which is yung 3R. What is the 3R, guys? It starts with royalty, rewards, and also rebates. Ulitin ko, guys, ha? Royalty, rewards, and rebates. So when it comes to the royalty part, guys, no, siyempre, imaginein mo, guys, no, you're sharing, you're actually talking about your product to your friends, family members, and then from there, na-enjoy nila, nagtanong sila. So how can I be an authorized wholesaler? So ngayon, once you actually share it, there are people who want to do and dive in also to your business. And the income potential on this one, guys, you can see it on your screen. That's a 90,000 peso per month potential income on a wholesale transaction when it comes to our products. Siyempre, as you go along and do the business, you also earn rewards. So parang SM Advantage card or Suki card, you get to enjoy points converted into, not cash, but you get to enjoy the travel incentives that we have right now in our company. So we have, existing right now, we have actually travel incentives from Japan, Hong Kong, Italy, Balisin, you name it, we actually give it to our authorized wholesalers na ginagawa ng sobra-sobra yung negosyo natin. Kaya nga, di ba, mapapansin niyo sa negosyo natin, the more na marami kang nagagawa pagdating sa negosyo natin, the more you give time, the more you enjoy the business. So, more rewards. Kung ayaw mo ng travel, guys, you can actually choose the option wherein you can actually achieve your own dream car right now. So, from, of course, different walks of life, ginagawa yung negosyo, na-enjoy nila. Then, from there, kung ayaw mo naman ng kotse, syempre, marami naman dito. Ang gusto naman is yung dream house nila. Tama? So ngayon, marami ng tao rito nakaka-achieve and na-enjoy yung mga perks and privileges when it comes to the rewards na binibigay ng company natin. Plus, syempre, kung gustong-gusto mo naman talaga mag-shopping or ma-enjoy yung mga luxury items na meron dyan sa market o sa labas, best part, our company is actually giving it out for free. Kasi bakit? Once you enjoy the reward program na meron tayo dito sa company natin, just do the business, decide, and then from there, there's a big potential that you're gonna be enjoying these luxury items na binibigay ng company natin. And, syempre, we're not gonna be stopping. We have also what we call the rebates. Etong rebates ito, guys, imaginein mo, people are just buying repeat and repeat and repeat sa sobrang ganda ng produkto natin na wala nang hard selling eh. You can actually still earn 50 to at least 450,000 pesos per month. This is actually from all product retail sales under what? Your team na binibuild natin dito sa negosyo natin. Kaya nga ang good news dito, guys, is that you can be an authorized wholesaler. Pero ang tanong, do you want to go global? If you want to go global just like me and the rest of the team na meron tayo rito in JC, well, I'll be giving you that option. Okay? You can start with this one. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin na starter wholesaler. Best part in this one, guys, the company will be giving you a product supply of 22,000 pesos, pero naka-promo to. Hindi yan ang babayaran mo. From the 22,000 peso na product inventory or supplies mo, you're just gonna be getting this one on an initial promo price for only 17,888. Ngayon, sa 17,888 na yan, iless mo yung product supplies mo, meron ka na kagad kita dyan na magkano? 4,112 pesos. So, naglabas ka ng 17,800, kumita ka na kagad. So, guys, imaginein mo, saang negosyo ka makakahanap na ganyan na naglabas ka ng puhunan pagdating sa negosyo, then from there, kumita ka na kagad. You have already a profit or a savings, and ito pa yung may enjoy mo. on your next purchase, you're gonna be enjoying 40% discounted rate, and there's a lot of privileges na kasama na dyan. Okay? Now, syempre, hindi lang to basta sa starter wholesaler magsisimula. There are lots of variants na pwede nating ma-enjoy rito. Pero, I'll give you a sample computation kung paano mo mas ma-enjoy to. So, for example, for the starter wholesaler, okay, the total sales na meron ka rito for the JC Organic Barley, let's say, in a span of 6 months, nagkaroon ka ng benta ng 200,000 peso worth. From the 200,000 peso worth, guys, 40% doon ang kinita mo magkano? Type mo sa comment section. Nakikita mo sa screen, di ba? That's 80,000 pesos. 80,000 pesos kaagad-agad. So, imaginein mo, guys, what if the ballpark figure reached up to 1 million peso sale? 40% of that, simple math. That's 400,000 money in the bag. Diretso na sa inyo yan. Okay? Now, ang maganda rito, guys, if you want to enjoy more of this one, there are other options that we can actually choose from. You can actually choose yung wholesaler natin. The wholesaler price natin, guys, for the product supply would be for only 75,000 peso product supply. Yan yung makukuha mo as your initial product inventory or supply. Then, nakuha mo lang siya na magkano? 53,664. Profit or savings, 21,336 pesos. Yan na kagad yung potential na kikitain mo. Of course, once na ibenta mo siya or even you actually use the product, you were able to get that value already. So, ang ganda na ng produkto mo, ang ganda pa ng profit and potential savings na pwede mo makuha, plus, you get to enjoy 43% discounted rate on all of the essential products that we have right now. So, as a doable and profitable business, lifetime privilege, guys, this is not bad at all. Do the math. Tingnan mo as a wholesaler, guys, total sales dito, for example, that's 200,000 pesos na kinita mo, binenta mo within 6 months, 86,000 peso money in the bag. What if, for example, 1 million total sales in 6 months? Again, guys, nothing is impossible. That's 430,000 pesos money in the bag, diretso na sa iyan, kaching-kaching ka na kagad. So, imagine mo, hindi ba na-enjoy yung negosyo na ganito? Na napakaliit lang na puhunan na nilabas mo, pero sobrang ganda ng potential na pwede mong kitain. And of course, dagdagan pa natin, maraming options pa. So ito, pwede ka rin maging, super wholesaler. For the super wholesaler, guys, no? That's 175,000 peso product inventory. Pero ang initial promo price, magkano? That's for only 125,216. And ang kita mo na kagad dyan or potential savings mo, 49,784. So ngayon, guys, kung ganyan ang kitaan at potential savings na makuha mo, guys, I mean, who would not do it? I personally myself, doing it already. Pero, for the discounts, at the same time, on your next purchase, this is tumataginting na 47% na. So, ang exciting part dito, ito. Tingnan mo yung computation natin dito, guys, sa super wholesaler, imagine mo, that's 200,000 sales mo, let's say, for the next 6 months. Kumita ka ng 94,000 pesos. Easily. Okay? When I say easily, guys, malaki kasi yung discount mo eh. Pero, kung 1 million peso ang nabenta mo in total, let's say for the whole year, 470,000 peso savings, additional extra side hustle, again, no-brainer to. I would definitely do it. Pero, eto na yung siguro, isa sa mga may enjoy mo. Yung mega wholesaler. Kasi dito, tumataging-ting to, guys, sa 375,000 peso worth of product supplies na ibibigay sa inyo ng company, pero you only got it for only, how much? 268,320 pesos lang. Okay? So, kung ganyan ang presyo, magkano ang kinita mo dyan? That's a potential income of 106,680 pesos. Plus, eto na. Ready ka na? 50% discounted rate on your next purchase ka na kagad. So, ngayon, ibig sabihin, as an authorized wholesaler and retailer, marami kang may enjoy rito. Ready na yung business system mo. Easy to manage. Wala ka nang dapat isipin. So, ngayon, let's do the math. What if, for the mega wholesaler, guys, no, ang total sales mo for the JC Organic Barley, 200,000? Obviously, 50%. That's 100,000 peso na kagad, diretso sa inyo. Ngayon, total sales, let's say, naka 1 million ka? Not bad, 500,000 pesos. Tell me, anong negosyo ang pwede mong simulan na ganyan lang ang puhunan, pero pwede kang kumita ng limpak-limpak pagdating sa negosyo natin? Only here in JC. Okay? Ngayon, Siyempre, naiintindihan ko, maraming tao gusto talaga magnegosyo ngayon. Kasi nga, naghahanap sila ng doable business, exclusive na distribution. Siyempre, madali dapat accessible yung negosyo mo. You can actually go global. Eto guys, we have a VVIP package for you. Okay? Ang tawag dito guys is yung tinatawag natin na Master Wholesaler. Now, when it comes to the Master Wholesaler, guys, there's a lot of perks and up for grabs dito. Kasi this is the most exclusive wholesale set na ibinibigay ng company natin. Plus, priority ka ng kumpanya natin. You're gonna be accessing different perks when it comes to our company. So, with that being said, guys, you're gonna be getting 775,000 peso product, supplies, pero magkano lang ang nilabas mong initial promo price? That's 554,528 pesos lamang. So imagine mo, ang kinita mo na pala kagad dyan is almost or at least 220,472 pesos na kung saan, eto na, on your next purchase, 60% off ka na. So, do the math guys. 60%. Kung kanina pinakita ko mga numbers is sa Master Wholesaler guys, ang kinita mo or nabenta mo is around 200,000 pesos within 6 months guys. Profit margin mo, 120,000 pesos. Grabe. Eto na. Grabe talaga yun. Kasi imagine mo, kung 60% off ka, what if ang kinita mo o nabenta mo is around 1 million peso product inventory ni JC Organic Barley? You were able to bag 600,000 pesos in your pocket na. So in short, kita mo na to. Kumikita ka na, 60% off ka na, plus, eto, you can choose from different options that we have right now here in our company, here in JC. Ulitin ko from the starter wholesaler, you're going to be enjoying 40% off. Wholesaler is 43%. Super wholesaler is around 47%. Mega wholesaler is around 50%. And the premium package that we have right now is the master wholesale set. Okay? That's 60% off. Now, syempre, as we go along into the business, there's a lot of people enjoying the privileges that we actually presented to you guys. So, kaya nga ako, even I myself, like for example, si Christian Cabanyero, a seafarer, then at the same time, Sir Jeffrey Espinosa, this is actually the people who's enjoying the products and at the same time, enjoying the perks and privileges of the discounts na binibigay ng kumpanya natin. You just have to choose from different packages that we have right there. As a wholesale, at the same time, mega wholesaler. So, depende na lang sa budget allocation ninyo. Pero kung ako tatanungin mo guys, imaginein mo, nasa ibang parte ka ng mundo, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, may pinagkakaabalahan ka o wala kang pinagkakaabalahan, you can enjoy the business kasi all you have to do right now, listen to me, okay? Listen to me. All you have to do right now is just to make that one decision that can actually change your life. Huwag mong tingnan na problema yung pinakita ko sa inyo mga presyo. But instead, think of the possible things that can actually happen when you make that decision. And when you make that decision, guys, you work on it. You work hard for it. And then from there, from the hard work that you have, the fruits of labor, you can actually enjoy it as you go along into the business, diba? I myself, guys, you just have to try. I myself, a few months ago, I just tried it, and then from there, I worked on it. Then from there, immediately, I started na. Kasi bakit? So, ano kailangan mong gawin when you're actually gonna be doing the business and you already made that decision and take the leap of faith? Step 1, guys, you just have to simply fill up the application form. Just give us your details from name, address, contact number, email address, and so on and so forth na kakailangan ng kumpanya natin para makapag-start ka na. Then, you go and jump to the step 2. You can actually choose from the payment options that we have. We have debit card, Visa, credit card, payment option natin from check, cash, online banking, etc. You name it. Of course, we can actually help you to jumpstart agad-agad yung negosyo natin. And of course, number 3, all you have to do is wag mo nang patagalin. You just have to contact the person who actually sent you this invitation wherein you can maximize and optimize the opportunity that we're actually sharing to you for today. And syempre, kapag ginawa mo yun, guys, you just have to make it to the point na right there and then, you go for it. You dig with it. Okay? So guys, imagine na ninyo, di ba? You already made a decision. You want to take action already. And the best part in this one is that we have a person for today that will be sharing you the experience that he had dito sa negosyo natin. So, panoorin mo tong video na to, I'm sure marami kang matututunan dito and baka ma-inspire ka pa. And mas maintindihan mo kung bakit mo kailangan gawin ang negosyo natin dito sa JC. So again guys, let's watch this video.
Hello everybody! Ayan. So, let me just share with you a little background about me, no? So again po, my name is, yan. Yan. Again, my name is Luis Abayan, and ang background ko po, no, before I got into this business is, dati po akong flight attendant. So basically, kung saan-saang mga bansa na po ako nakarating because of my job. So naka-travel around the world, nakapunta na ako ng Paris, nakapunta ng UK, nakapunta ng Japan, nakapunta ng Switzerland, and many other countries po napuntahan ko na because nag-work po ako as a flight attendant. And international po yung airline where I worked before. Now, syempre, things happen, di ba? Hindi naman natin talaga hawak, especially if what we're doing is out of our hands. So, nangyari nga po yung pandemic. So, since nangyari yung pandemic, I was one of those people na na-affect po yung trabaho. So, supposedly, I was supposed to go back to flying na kasi I took a break, nagka-baby po kami ng husband ko, and then when I was supposed to go back to flying, hindi na po ako natuloy. So ending, wala po akong income source during that time. And that was the time na na-introduce po sa akin ng friend ko itong business opportunity that we have here in JC na napakinggan po natin. Sobrang ganda, di ba, ng opportunity natin. And nagandahan po ako sa opportunity. So I really jumped in sa opportunity po na meron tayo. And I became one of JC's wholesalers, distributors, and dropshippers. Now, because of this company, ayan po, no, ginawa ko siya, nag-wholesale ako. Kita niyo naman sobrang dami kong wholesale packages po talaga na namumove. And nag-retail din po ako. So, in short, nagbebenta din po ako talaga sa mga end customers ko. So, I just worked hard po talaga dito sa business na to. Nakita niyo naman, no, hawak-hawak ko yung baby ko, nagpe-present ako ng business po natin. And I'm also able to actually present the business po anywhere I am. So kahit nasa labas, kaya. Kasi nga, yun yung kinagandahan ng business natin online siya. And sobrang na-appreciate ko din po dito sa business na to, yung I also have the heart kasi to help people. So sobrang na-appreciate ko. You can see here in one of the photos dito, no, na meron po tayong foundation, di ba? May JC Cares Foundation po itong ating company. So sobrang natatouch yung heart ko every time na meron po tayong mga programs na nakakatulong. Yan. So, doing this business for 3 years, ayan, ito na po yung mga nakuha ko so far. Syempre, no, sobrang excited na nakaka-travel ako because of this business for free. So, ilan po sa mga napuntahan ko here sa Balisin po ito. Nakuha ko siya as an incentive. Nakapunta na rin po ako sa Dubai. Yan, na-visit ko na po yung branch natin, yung headquarters po natin sa Dubai. And yan, nakahit din po ako ng travel incentive dito going to Hong Kong. Ayan, as you can see, naisama ko pa nga yung husband ko tsaka yung baby namin. And actually, nahit ko din po yung travel incentive natin going to Boracay. So that was, sobrang nag-enjoy din po kami. Buong family naman kami dyan, kasama pa yung yaya. O, di ba? Imagine. Ganun kaganda po yung pwedeng maibigay sa atin itong negosyo na to, na kumikita ka na and at the same time, you're able to also enjoy your time with your family dahil sa mga ganitong pa-incentives, 'di ba? So far dito po sa business natin, ito din po yung ilan lang to sa mga cheque po na kinita ko dito sa business. So I have here merong 349,000, kinita ko siya in just 2 weeks. Merong 309,000, merong 398,000, merong 140, tapos hindi pa nade-deposit yung cheque, meron na ulit naman yung JC wallet natin. So as you can see, I am a living proof na yung kita po talaga dito sa negosyo natin is limitless. Sa totoo lang, no? Sa atin po talaga kung gaano kalaki yung gusto nating kitain dito sa negosyo natin. Basta of course, may kaakibat po yan na work. Diba? Itong nakikita nyo po sa gitna, yung cheque po namin, husband ko po itong kasama ko dito, we were awarded as pandemic millionaires po nitong company. Nakasama po kami doon. Ang na-awardan po during that time was 197 pandemic millionaires, and proud to say, dalawa po kami ng husband ko among those 197 na kumita ng milyon dito sa negosyo na to during the pandemic. So, sobrang laking blessing po talaga siya for us, sa amin ng buong pamilya ko. Yan. And of course, ito yung ano, I can say na isa ito sa mga biggest achievements ko po talaga. Simula nung nag-start ako dito sa negosyo na to kasi na-awardan po ako. Nakakuha na ako dito ng akin pong first car. Ayan, ang first car na nakuha ko out of this business is a Dodge Challenger. Yan, tama po yung ano, no? Dodge Challenger, it's a muscle car. Talagang pinapangarap po ito ng mga kalalakihan. Pero imagine, no, kaya din pala siyang ma-achieve ng isang babaeng katulad ko. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang Dodge Challenger pala ay hindi lang siya pang lalaki. Kasi, yeah, proud to say, ito po ang dinadrive ko right now. Okay? So, ayan. Siyempre, among all the achievements na nakuha ko po dito sa business, the income, the travels, the car na nakuha ko po dito, ang pinaka-special po talaga for me is being a flight attendant before. International flight attendant. So in short, OFW din po ako. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po talaga yung opportunity na nabigay sa akin to just stay in the Philippines, makasama po yung pamilya ko, makasama yung mga anak ko, watch them grow. 'Di ba? Anytime kailangan nila ako, nandito ako sa tabi nila, 'di ba? Anytime na may emergency, nandito lang ako. Kasi I also came from a family na yung tatay ko po, my dad is actually used to be a seaman. So OFW din po siya talaga. So I know how it feels na kahit isa lang sa mga magulang natin malayo, mahirap po talaga siya. So it's something na na-save ko po yung mga anak ko from experiencing that. Kaya kung meron po dito na kagaya ko na magulang na din, na you also, of course, lahat naman tayo mga magulang, we want the best for our children. 'Di ba? And hindi lang naman siya basta pera. Kasi ako nga, having that kind of experience, for me talaga, sobrang precious ng kasama mo yung magulang mo habang lumalaki ka. 'Di ba? Sa mga milestones mo sa buhay, kasama mo sila, katabi mo, andyan siya sa graduation mo, andyan siya sa birthday mo. Kasi ako in my lifetime ma-share ko lang sa inyo. In my lifetime, I think ang na-attendan lang ng daddy ko na birthdays ko, siguro less than 10. And currently, I'm 30 years old. So, ano siya, hindi ko naman din masisisi, syempre yung dad ko, kasi that's the only way na alam niya para makapag-provide siya sa amin. And he's a responsible father. So, sa atin po, we can also be responsible ng kasama natin yung mga anak natin, di ba? Buo yung pamilya natin magkakasama tayo while we hustle. And that's what happens to us. And kahit sa kami magpunta, mag-travel kami, the good thing about this business po talaga is pwede siyang dalhin kahit saan. It's portable because it's online. So, kung meron po dito mga nakikinig na talagang nag-iisip kayo ng opportunity, naghahanap, nag-iisip ng way, paano ba tayo kikita ng mas malaki, ng mas mabilis, na hindi din na sa sacrifice yung time natin with our family, this is really the perfect opportunity po para sa ating lahat. Kasi I'm a living proof na kaya po siyang gawin. Imagine kumikita ako 300,000, 400,000, nasa bahay lang ako, 2 weeks. Saan mo kikitain yun sa outside world, di ba? Especially if you're here in the Philippines. So, ayan po, huwag kayong matakot na sumubok sa opportunity kasi it's really something na kapag hindi tayo sumusubok, wala talagang kumbaga hindi natin malalaman if it will work for us. Nag-work po para sa akin at nag-work sa napakarami po na nandito din sa opportunity na to. So, all you have to do talaga is to try. Diba? Nakita nyo naman to sa presentation, grabe, napakadami pong pinakita na ways para kumita po tayo dito sa negosyo natin. So, ang natatakot lang po, no, at yung hindi lang talaga kikita sa ganitong klase ng negosyo is yung tamad, which I doubt meron pong tamad dito. Diba? So, yun lang po. Actually, yun na po yung masishare ko po sa inyo. I'm just very grateful that I found this opportunity. Nakapag-start po ako dito. Kaya I'm living this kind of life with my family, with the abundance, and yun. Yun po, yung pinaka-masishare ko po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. I hope na-inspire ko po kayo, and thank you for this opportunity.
So yun na nga guys, you actually saw the video and you actually shared the experience that they were able to get dito sa House of Franchise or also in JC, di ba? So ngayon, obviously, they took action, They work hard for it. There's no shortcut, by the way, ha? There's no shortcut. So may tamang proseso lang. Pero, kung titingnan mo mabuti, kung paano sila naging successful, they just actually went back to that decision making na sinasabi ko na mag-decide ka na nga. Kasi kung hindi ka magde-decide ngayon, kahit na gaano pa kaganda yung opportunity na nakita mo for today, I tell you, it's just gonna be like isang bus na dumaan lang sa harapan mo na hindi mo sinakyan. Pero ngayon, you have right now the opportunity to change your life for the better. Now, what's it gonna be? Making a decision? Or just contemplate? Relax ka lang muna, itulog mo. Again guys, winners don't wait. We create. With that being said, I'm your speaker, Dennis Brian Kaadan. I choose JC, and welcome to The Good Life.